Hi, and welcome to our presentation on the Galapagos penguins. We hope you enjoy. For our project, we're doing the Galapagos penguin. Its scientific name is Pheniscus mendiculus. It is the only penguin that lives north of the equator in the Galapagos Islands. The Galapagos Islands are just west of Ecuador. The average Galapagos penguin is 49 centimeters and 2.5 kilograms, which is how much Nithya weighs. The smallest species of penguin. The Galapagos penguin has a black head with a white line going left. They use burrows and they lay eggs. Both parents look after the eggs for 38 to 40 days. The main problem for this penguin is keeping cool. They eat mostly small fish such as sardines and mullet. The Galapagos Islands are located in South America, just west of Ecuador.
Galapagos penguins are endangered because humans are threatening them. Humans are creating oil spill and they are fishing. There is only a small population of Galapagos penguins left, and unfortunately these penguins could possibly become extinct. The habitat is being destroyed because of humans. In the 1980s, over 70% of the penguins' populations declined.
The Galapagos penguins are proven to be extremely vulnerable to starvation during the El Niño events. The El Niño is a temporary change in the climate of the Pacific Ocean and around the equator where the Galapagos Islands are. The ocean surface warms up, which affects the penguins' climate. There are also some volcanic eruptions.
Fortunately, some things are being done about it. The U.S. federal agencies are not letting any fishermen do fishing near these penguins. The Charles Darwin Foundation is working to help save and preserve these animals. A group of conservationists have built 120 new homes for the penguins. Typically, the penguins build their nests in shaded areas between rocks or lava tubes. The problem is that their habitat has decreased. Also, introduced predators like cats, dogs, rats, and pigs manage to disturb the nests. Dee Boersma of the University of Washington explains, more nesting sites are needed. The greater protection for new predators are essential if the population is to stabilize. Our whole goal is to increase the population of the Galapagos penguins, and the way to do this is to make sure that their conditions are good, when they're not food challenged and all of them will be able to breed.
Penguins do not attempt to breed during cold temperatures. During 1982, an ENSO event hit the Galapagos Islands, and 77% of the penguins there starved to death. Galapagos penguins, unlike larger penguins, have to protect themselves from numerous predators on land. These include crabs, snakes, owls, hawks, and others. At sea, they can be killed by sharks, fur seals, and sea lions. Along with predation, natural hazards such as unreliable food sources and volcanic activity pose a serious threat. They also force a number of man-made hazards.
The Galapagos Islands are only small and careful management will be required to balance the increasing pressures from human activities, with the needs of sustaining the fragile and unique ecosystem. Clearly, with such a small remaining population, the Galapagos penguins faces the possibility of extinction unless a balance can be successfully achieved.
All 17 penguin species are legally protected from hunting and egg collecting. The Antarctic Treaty of 1959 makes it illegal to harm or in any way interfere with a penguin or his habitat. Penguins are vulnerable to habitat destruction, overfishing of primary food sources, ecological disasters such as oil spills, pollution such as trash in the ocean, and human disturbance into nesting areas.
So what can you do to help these Galapagos penguins? Or you can educate yourself, you can spread the word, you should not fish in penguin territory. You can also celebrate Penguin Awareness Day and donate to nonprofit penguin organizations. You can also support companies that are ecologically responsible. This means don't purchase goods from companies who aren't. Don't forget to fill your car with gasoline or petrol from companies who have not had any major oil spills. You may feel like this won't help the penguins, but it really will. Imagine if everyone who loves penguin refused to place their money into the hands of irresponsible companies. In addition, you can feel better about yourself for the fact you're not indirectly supporting the problem.